Oh, here we go.
We coming for you, dog. We coming for you.
Yeah.
He's like, we coming for you, dog. We coming.
Check it out, man. That thing looks so cool from back here. This bike looks so much different now. It rides. I mean, it's gonna ride different.
Here we go again.
I hope this is the last generation for a while, though.
Yeah, me too.
I mean, I don't feel like working on it no more for a while.
This is the last generation period.
I do too.
I hope you leave it like this.
No, we already have to bring the motor up a little bit because the motor's too low, so we're going to have to bring it up just a little bit.
We're going to adjust it a little bit.
And you see a big, he made that for me today. He took a big flat piece of steel and he welded all that out of it.
I made the monster mount that actually has the drop, go around the carburetor.
That's pretty cool, actually.
Everything.
I mean, it's perfectly custom to the bike.
Yeah, it's the exact fit of what we needed, yeah.
So we took the center shop mount from GOVE Mini-Moto. We got that. We got to finish all that. We got to put the Warfab stuff back on here. I mean, it's going to be really cool, this bike. I'm going to try to clean it up and get the sticker stuff off it. Put some different stickers on it.
Like,
you know?
Actually, it's pushed back about 3 or 4 inches. So it's stretched out 3 or 4 more inches than it ever was.
It looks cool, but it's just too low when I sit on it, so.
Yeah, I mean, like, all we got to do is take, like,
yeah,
drill a hole, like, just probably about a 1/2 inch up above this one.
We can adjust it where we want to put it, basically.
Yeah, and, like, I mean, we can have multiple holes so that we can have multiple.
Yeah, exactly.
options.
Yeah.
Like, I actually drilled another hole there, so like you could pull it back that way.
We can do multiple settings on it, basically.
I'd rather go ahead and drill a hole and pull it up there anyway.
Yeah, that'd be cool. I mean, I like the thought of that with multiple settings, basically.
Yeah, that way you have adjustments there and there.
I mean, I like that shit. I'm gonna put air ride on it. So much money. Nah, I'll put the trike we build. Put air ride on it.
Like, dude, you can buy an air strut.
Yeah, I know.
That'll replace that.
That'd be chick ass like my
The only thing is, like, you gotta have a little tank. And like,
I love the way this looks through here, man. I mean, I love how it's just not over. I love how it's just sweet, man. It's like, so cool.
That and where it's all center mounted now.
It's like, completely center mounted.
The bike is not got any stress. Like, it's not trying to twist anything. Like, everything is like.
The wheel's straight now.
Everything's perfect. Yeah, everything is like equally balanced.
Let's see. Pick
like
center.
Like before, it was always like trying to run crooked because it was pulling it sideways.
Now it's going completely straight. You can see right here.
There's nothing to pull.
Look, straight down here, straight with the center. This is the center shot. It's completely centered to the bike.
Oh yeah, it's centered for sure.
It's centered completely now.
And like the bike is sitting perfectly level now.
I know, man. Yeah, for once it's actually sitting like it should.
It's level as hell. I mean, like, I've never seen this bike that level. I mean, it's, like, if the motor wasn't sitting that low, I wouldn't touch it. But I mean, like,
right. That's the only reason. Yeah.
The motor needs to be tilted up just a little bit, and it's raised up enough that the pipe's not going to, touch anything.
Yeah, that we don't want anything hit that motor at all ever.
That's what I'm saying.
So,
like,
this thing looks so good though. I mean, it just looks killer. It looks freaking killer, man.
I mean, I like it. How much better it looks like stretched out the way it is.
I like it too. I mean,
just the 3 or 4 inch stretch we did, like, it changed the look.
I mean, we're gonna take like an inch and a half out of it, but it's still gonna look cool. I feel like.
Inch and a half out of it.
No, when we pull it forward.
No, it's not.
Oh, so we're going to?
When you pull it forward, it's just going to angle the motor up.
Oh, cool. That's all we want then, yeah.
It's not going to change the
Sweet. I like that then. Hell yeah.
Like, when you pull it, like,
I didn't know if it's going to pull it forward at all.
All it's going to do is going to twist the motor upward.
Okay, and it's all straight and it's all centered too, so.
Yeah, it's not going to change anything else.
So my buddy Dave was telling me, why don't you put one on the other side over there and it'd probably work better. And I'm like, you know what? You're right. I'm glad we did that.
Yeah,
we got to put that back in there.
Yeah, that's what I was telling you a while ago.
I found the things a while ago.
Allen had both of them going to it.
We'll have to find one to put it in.
On this side.
Yeah, we'll find one to put it in.
I put one on this side.
Yeah, those are billet frame.
Yeah, I mean, like, you want to keep that in there because it looks shitty.
It looks good, but not just that. It actually has a function to it, actually. When we was using it, what it was for. I mean,
yeah, it had a function to hold that rod.
It actually, and it held it.
Now
but
it don't.
But it was also for other kits too. I mean, that thing actually, it makes it a lot stronger.
It does look better where it caps the frame there.
Yeah, but this bike's gonna be so much cooler, man. It's gonna be so nice.
Like, we can leave your tank full size, your big aluminum tank.
Yeah, no, I gotta call him tomorrow.
I'm
gonna let him know. Don't cut it now. So we're gonna put my radiator over here now.
The radiator over here, like, put your oil cooler in front, like.
Yep.
We got enough room.
We got plenty of room now.
The full fucking tank.
We can actually work on this bike and not have our hands all like bound up and stuff, and like we can't get to nothing. Yeah. And the carburetor's gonna be sitting over to the side, basically.
Look at how much room you got
in
front of the valve cover.
The carburetor's gonna be sitting over here, or